Welcome to the DD Free Dish TV channel list video for April 2026. This video provides a detailed list of channels and their technical parameters. Here are the initial settings for the first set of channels. LNB frequency is 9750. Trans frequency is 11090. Polarity is V. Symbol rate is 29500 and 22K is set to off. Channels 1 through 6 include DD News, DD National, DD Kisan, Z Action, Animal Cinema 2, and Sun Marathi. Moving to channels 7 through 12, Epic Music, DD Girnar, B4U Music, ABP News, B4U Bhojpuri, and B4U Movies. Channels 13 to 18 are Good News Today, News 24, Shemaru Umang, Ajtak, All Time Movies, and Z Animal. For the next set of channels, the trans frequency is 11170, polarity is V, symbol rate is 29500, and 22K is off. This list includes channels 19 to 24, Manoranjan Grand, Star Utsav Movies, DD Tamil, DD Punjabi, DD Sahyadri, and Fact Marathi. Next, channels 25 through 30, Star Utsav, Sansad TV1, Sansad TV2, Shemaru TV, Dangal, and Bhojpuri Cinema. Channels 31 to 36 include Z Biscup, Sun Neo, Gold Mines, The Q, Colors Cineplex Bollywood, and Gold Mines Bollywood. The technical parameters for the next group are trans frequency 11470, polarity V, symbol rate 29500, and 22K off. Here are channels 37 to 41, Dangal 2, Colors Cineplex Superhit, Sony PAL, Manoranjan Movies, and the new edition, Epic Bharat. Continuing with channels 42 through 47, B4U Kadak, Manoranjan TV, TV9 Bharat Varsh, Astha, GTC Punjabi, and Unique TV. Channels 48 to 54 are Z Animal Cinema, Sony Wa, Colors Rishti, Z News, Gold Mines Movies, Shemaru Josh, and Sanskar. The final technical settings are trans frequency 11510, polarity V, symbol rate 29500, and 22K set to off. The last section, channels 55 through 60, features NDTV India, News 18 India, News Nation, Times Now Nav Bharat, the new PTC News, and DD India. Channels 61 to 68 include RT, the new PTC Punjabi, Sadhna Gold, India TV, Test 411, Test 412, Republic Bharat, and Test 414. Moving to channels 69 through 74, Test 415, Test 416, Test 417, Test 418, DD Sports, and DD Party. Note the current technical settings. Trans frequency 11550, polarity V, symbol rate 29500, and 22K is off. The next group of channels, 75 to 80, includes DD Yadagiri, DD UP, DD Himachal, DD Rajasthan, DD Sports, and DD Bihar. Channels 81 through 85 are DD Jharkhand, DD MP, DD Tripura, DD Chhattisgarh, and DD Kashmir. Channels 86 through 91 continue the list: DD Urdu, DD Odia, DD Bangla, DD Northeast, DD Saptagiri, and DD Malayalam. This section, channels 92 to 97, includes DD Podigai, DD Chandana, DD Vande Gujarat, DD National, DD India, and DD News. The next set of channels, 98 to 103, features DD Kisan, DD Sahyadri, DD Girnar, DD Yadagiri, DD Punjabi, and DD Bangla. Channels 104 through 109 are DD Odia, DD Sports, DD Bharti, DD Saptagiri, DD Chandana, and DD Podigai. The list continues with channels 110 to 115, DD Northeast, DD Urdu, DD Kashmir, DD Rajasthan, DD UP, and DD Himachal. Channels 116 through 121 include DD Jharkhand, DD Chhattisgarh, DD MP, DD Bihar, DD Tripura, and Gyan Darshan. The final channels in this section, 122 to 127, are Swayam Prabha, Sansad TV1, Sansad TV2, Gyan Darshan, DD Vande Gujarat, and Sansad TV. This list covers channels up to number 133, DD India, DD National, DD Kisan, DD News, Sansad TV, and DD Sports. The video provides an overview of the DD Free Dish channel list and corresponding technical settings for April 2026. Thank you for watching this video on the updated DD Free Dish TV channel list. This image displays a list of channels and their technical parameters for DD Free Dish. The next slide provides a continuation of the channel list and settings. Here is another section of the DD Free Dish channel lineup. The channel list continues, showing channel numbers and names. This slide details channels with their respective frequencies and polarities. Further information on the DD Free Dish channel list is shown here. More channels and their technical settings are presented in this section. The list of channels continues with updated details. Here is a snapshot of the updated channel list for DD Free Dish. This image focuses on a block of channels and their corresponding parameters. The next set of DD Free Dish channels is displayed on this slide, continuing the channel overview with more technical information. A summary of the DD Free Dish channel list for April 2026 is shown here. This final list provides the last channels covered in this overview. Thank you for viewing the comprehensive DD Free Dish TV channel list for April 2026.